morning, everyone. Just driving here in my Mercedes, of course. I'm here in Robbinsville, North Carolina. We just left our cabin. Everything started up well this morning so far. It's, I don't even know what time it is. It's about 10:15 in the morning. We're driving to Robbinsville to go fuel up and do a 3-hour drive today. We're going to do a loop that goes between the Dragon and then Cherahalla Skyway, which is where we're staying off of. We're technically on Cherahalla Skyway right now, the tail end of it that goes into Robbinsville, North Carolina. So we'll see how today goes and wish us all good luck. Last night we had some terrible rain, so we couldn't do really any good updates when we got here. So when we're in Robbinsville, hopefully we'll get you all that update on how everything went on our final drive and everything.
We actually did make it to Robbinsville. Beautiful morning. Say hi, Brian.
Hi! Look at my Mercedes. I'm still cleaning the windshield. I'm lazy.
It.
Yeah, I painted it too much.
Unfortunately, we had a axle issue.
A lot of liquid is coming out of this. Oh, I see what happened.
Did the drain plug come out? I don't have any transmission fluid, but there is an auto parts store. What do you need?
So, Otis, what happened? I think the axle popped out.
Oh shit.
Like, not fully.
So I was just walking from the Subi over there, and it just started making this whoosh noise. What is it?
It's coolant.
Oh lordy.
He just parked it up here, and now it's
over here blowing up.
oh god.
I thought you guys were doing it on purpose until I saw you all over there.
Thanks for letting us know. Oh.
It blew up here.
Oh, there's a hole in it, Brian.
I see that.
Oh my god.
Otis?
It blew a hole in one of the hoses. Actually, that's a plastic piece, isn't it?
Oh, I see.
What?
The edge got so hot.
What?
It's over there.
I'm not the only one, you see.
Yeah.
Hey Joe.
Oh,
Hi, Cam.
Hello.
Cam reception?
it is
Camera
boiling over.
Yes.
Yes.
All
Oh,
onto,
it's all down here. Oh, you're polluting the environment.
all onto the
Shame on
fuses.
you. No, fuse is waterproof, at least.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's pouring into the brake reservoir fluid.
That's a hole right there. How does that get
That's
fixed?
not a hole. It's cracked into two pieces.
Oh, so it just split open.
Like, look, get real close. Do you see it?
Hey, Otis. Otis, can you hit the little thingy? We'll open this up all the way.
So what are we gonna do?
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Do it quick. Do it. Do it quick. Oh fuck! How the fuck are we going to fix that one?
Is that a special piece?
Yeah, that's a special piece.
Is that for the heater core?
Yeah.
Can I bypass it or no?
No. I mean, yes, but no. That's not good. Sorry.
So none of us are gonna make it to the Dragon.
This,
The neon.
this is. When did this start happening?
Just now.
Just now.
Just
I was
now.
walking from the Subi over there. And
Yeah.
Saw
You
this.
heard pow?
I saw it.
It just started
It
smoking.
just started, smoke was
Oh,
pouring
well,
out of
you
it.
should have heard a loud
No,
pop.
the sound, it wasn't a loud pop.
No, it sounded like the car was starting. I thought it was still running.
No. Yes.
Kinda does.
But-
All right, Brian. I think your tea kettle's warm enough.
It didn't make a loud pop. It just went.
So hi guys. This is our Tail of the Dragon day and it's not going so well.
No.
Unfortunately, the
it's going
Nissan's
just as
broken.
I'm so glad. I can't ride in this because I saw Brian driving, and I'm like, fuck no.
Look
Yeah, I
at
can
that.
still drive mine.
And we had that
I
issue.
can still drive mine,
You could
technically.
still drive yours. It
Yeah.
would just blow up the transmission at some point, wouldn't it?
Huh?
Wouldn't it blow up the
Yeah,
transmission?
there is.
Yeah.
Well, hey you guys, just a little update. my Nissan decided to pop the driver's inner axle out from the transmission. Good news is I can get the parts tomorrow. But the bad news is obviously I tried to put it back in and it wouldn't go back in, and there's Joe. Now, Brian's car decided to blow up when we pulled up into the driveway. So his car's overheating and all the coolant pretty much gushed out of it. So we got to fix his car and my car. And right now it's 12:39 on Saturday up here in North Carolina. Everything's closed. So we can't go out and get parts for it. My cool suit still working very well. It's very good. But yeah, Joe's car is the only one that's that's doing okay. Do I regret buying this car? No, not really. Luckily, the axle was one of the parts that I did replace, so it does fall under the warranty category. So I'm still within the race. We'll see. We'll see.
Holes in your trunk? No. Not where his tool would get to.
You might want to.
One of them is under the red wire in the middle.
So, when are you guys departing then?
Right now with you guys.
Right now.
Yeah, we're going with you guys, so.
Well, let's go. What do you?
Cool.